We recently added support for surface analysis layers in Sirrus. Surface analysis layers are generated using FarmRite and created using a variety of data sources, including yield data, soil test, and soil sensor data, just to name a few. To access your surface analysis layers, navigate to the Activities section, and then select the Surface Analysis tab. Now just select a layer to view. Sirrus also utilizes your yield surface analysis layers and some new premium dashboard tiles within the Home section. At the grower and farm level, view your average yield by crop, and then select the tile to compare to previous years. At the field level, view your dry yield summary and select the tile to see all of your yield surface analysis. Selecting an individual layer will load it into the view. You can also load surface analysis layers in the background while scouting and making recommendations. To do this, select Options, and then select Scout with Surface or Create Rec with Surface. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and visit our website for more information about Sirrus and the rest of our products.